Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about windrowers. Last week we talked about making a list, to get ready for doing fall maintenance or PM 360. If you're doing your maintenance yourself, one major thing that gets overlooked on a lot of windrowers is the drive hubs down here. If you're doing any amount of hours on your windrower, you really need to drain and change those planetaries. Best thing to do is drive the thing around for 15-20 minutes, get those warmed up nicely, get the drain hole to the bottom, open them up and let them drain for an hour or so, and then replace with new oil. Watch what's coming out of there. If at all possible, use a clean pail when you're draining them to see what comes out of there. It will show you a lot of premature wear on what the oil looks like. We see a lot of catastrophic failures out in the field with wheel hubs that the oil hasn't ever been changed in them or is not regularly changed. Very cheap maintenance that takes care of a pretty expensive fix. Planetaries are well over $10,000 on a lot of the units, so $50 worth of oil is a pretty cheap insurance. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.